Are you someone who likes to look good and presentable but also organized? Well, gentlemen, this particular video is just for you. Hi, this is Swapnil and you're watching The Classic Dandy. Gentlemen, if you're watching my channel, then you are at least interested in looking good, looking presentable, and you're also interested in men's fashion. But apart from these things, you're also someone who likes to be organized. Well, gentlemen, I'm going to show you 3 very essential accessories that are not only going to make you look organized in the wardrobe, but are practical as well. Now, gentlemen, let's check out these 3 accessories that are an absolute essential. I will be leaving the links in the description for you to shop. Gentlemen, when you're rushing to work in the morning, well, the most important thing would be to be organized. Gentlemen, being organized not only saves you time, but will also help you to look better at the end of the day in front of the mirror. When you're well organized, well, you can find things easily, and as you're the watcher of the Classic Dandy, you know which shirt to pair with what kind of trousers or which shoes to throw on with what kind of suit. So gentlemen, being organized wouldn't really hurt you. And gentlemen, the 3 accessories that I'm going to show you will make your garments look better and are great in functionality as well. And before we go ahead, gentlemen, let me tell you that all the outfits that you watch on the video are posted on the Instagram handle as well. Check that out. If you like the content, make sure to follow. Gentlemen, the first accessory is a definitely no-brainer. This is a wooden suit hanger. Now, gentlemen, our suits are expensive. We spend a lot of money and a lot of heart into making a suit. So you need to make sure that the shoulders of your suit remain intact. Now, you get a lot of hangers out there in plastic and in fiber, and let me tell you that they are of no use. When you're hanging your suit in your closet, well, gentlemen, you need to make sure that it is a wooden hanger. Now, a suit hanger has broader shoulders, as you can see, and is made of wood. So this particular color is in dark brown and has a stem for pants as well. So this is a particular hanger that is a must-have, especially if you have a bunch of suits in your wardrobe. As talking about hanger, this is a plastic hanger. This is a hanger which most of us have in our wardrobes. Gentlemen, these are only good maybe for your t-shirts, and that's about it. Not even your shirts. Please and please do not hang your suits on these. Gentlemen, continuing talking about hangers, well, you need to have something like this as well. This is a hanger that is particularly for your trousers. Now, this particular hanger has 3 stems, so you can have at least 3 to 6 pair of trousers. This will make your wardrobe not just look organized, but it is also practical as well. Whenever you're rushing to your work or anywhere else, you just need to take this hanger out and take off the trouser, and that's about it. Rest of the trousers remain intact. This particular hanger comes either in velvet or in felt, so the trousers do not slip as well. So make sure that you have one of these in your wardrobe also. And gentlemen, not to bore you with hangers, but this particular little boy is an absolute essential. You can have your ties, your neckties, as well as your belts here. This will keep your ties as well as your belts intact. You can hang your belts as well as your ties. This is a really useful accessory in my personal opinion. This will save a lot of space for you. Ties on one side and maybe belts on the other, and you're good to go. This won't take much of your space in your wardrobe. Gentlemen, the second accessory, and probably the cheapest out of the all, this is a lint roller. Now, lint roller can actually save you from an embarrassing day. If you're wearing black, especially black, and if you're going out, you would find a lot of lints on your black color shirt or suit especially. So that can be very embarrassing if you're going out. with a suit that is full of lints or a shirt that is full of lints, well, gentlemen, this particular bad boy can actually save you from the embarrassment. And the best part is that this comes really cheap, maybe 50 to 100 rupees. That's the max that you will be paying for this. So make sure you have this in your wardrobe as well. Gentlemen, the third and one of the most important accessory, this is your garment steamer. Now, why not iron? Why garment steamer? Well, gentlemen, this is really portable and this doesn't need an ironing board or a flat surface. You can just hang your shirt or your t-shirt in a hanger, maybe on the handle of your closet, and you can iron it. Now, in my personal opinion, this will not give you 100% result like an iron, a proper iron, but this will give you at least 90% of the result. This is really handy. The best part about this is that you can carry this even when you're traveling. Just make sure to keep this handy to keep your shirt and maybe even your blazer tidy at all times. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to leave me comments and let me know what other accessories that you would want me to make a video on. Gentlemen, if you are someone who's new to this channel, click on the I button to check out my previous videos. If you like the content, make sure to subscribe, hit that bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, gentlemen, thanks for watching.